guys, today we are going to be transplanting this giant Belgium tomato starter that I have cut out of the cardboard egg cartons that we started in the little mini greenhouse. And I'm also going to hedge my bets by also planting alongside of it. Let me get a better shot here. These seeds that I harvested for last year, and there's about 4 or 5 here, so I'm going to plant that right alongside here. That way, in case this plant doesn't survive, I have not wasted 2 weeks, and I am really just doubling down on this. So this soil was already watered yesterday. I've got a nice little shallow hole here, and I dug around it and flipped it around real nice. And if you can see, I've already got some roots. So you can kind of see I've got some roots that are coming out of the bottom. I'm just going to leave this cup in here. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm just going to bring the dirt around it, kind of like the way that we did the corn, the way that we did the lettuce. And I'm just going to pat that in just a little bit lightly. You want to leave some air in there, but you don't want, when you come along, to have like a big sinkhole in here. So now I'm just going to come in just a little bit. Place that there. This was 2-ply. I took one of the plies away, and I'm just going to sprinkle about 1/4 of an inch on there, because that's all that tomato seeds need. That's it. And then when I'm done, I would actually just come in here and place my little mini greenhouse, which is just a leftover peanut butter jar that I've taken the label off. And any of the labels that are still on, you want to put towards the back of the plant so that you can get in as much sunlight as possible. I am also doing this, it's probably about 11:30 here, and you want to do it in the morning. That way, when I'm done, I'm going to water all of this, and then I'm going to put all of these on here so that it has enough time in the day to trap all of that moisture. You can see on these, there's little moisture beads on here already from the night before. So if we came out here and did this at 6 or 7 in April in zone 5, there's not going to be a lot of hot air in there to get this plant through the night. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Love you. Please like and subscribe.